All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in again. Evan's coming to you from IMR in Dallas. I wanted to show you guys the really fancy new G80. This is a 2023 G80, and it's a fantastic car. It's actually got the 3.5 twin turbo setup. You have all the previous features as known before. You can get all-wheel drive. You can have all the adaptive suspension. The interior is fantastic. I know I like to focus on performance parts, but I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. It's a little bit bigger than the G70, but it's also more luxurious. So naturally, being who we are, customer reached out to us and said, hey, I can't find parts for my G80. I want to have a little more performance. I want to go a little faster. I want to have more sound. We knew that we could help them with that because we design and fabricate everything from scratch. This customer came to us from San Antonio, Texas, and they made the drive up here to Dallas, and they commissioned us to design and make the secondary downpipes, catless, and the catback exhaust. And so we were able to do that, and the results were pretty good. And so they're happy, but I want to let you hear it. You let me know what you think. By the way, I just wanted to show you guys what the interior looks like. Look how large that screen is. It's fantastic. And they do a really nice job. I've not seen a carbon fiber pattern like that before. The interior, the seats, the leather, I mean, all of that's pretty fantastic. Gauge cluster, it's all digital, pretty fantastic. Awesome controls, and just the general layout. It's pretty awesome. The stitching, the softness of the leather, the feel. The rear seats give you quite a treat. And you have your own controls and everything in the back. Pretty fantastic. All right, let's get to the performance stuff. Okay, so we wanted to do a quick pull from the interior. We didn't get a sound clip from the OEM setup, but again, this exhaust is designed to have no drone, no rasp, and we also wanted to make sure it had a deep tone. And just as we have on the Stinger and G70, we've accomplished that on the G80. So this is an in-cabin pull, so you could know what it sounds like. Again, they call this the gentleman's exhaust. So thank you to the customers who've helped me name it. But it gives you the performance, but also a great tone and great sound. There you go. Hopefully the sound was able to pick that up. All right, so we're out here looking to do a quick pull and show you what that sound is like. Again, no drone, no rasp, deeper tone, and I'm hearing from the customer that they feel a slight improvement on acceleration, particularly when you initially punch the pedal. And that makes sense. There are no secondary cats, and we designed a freer flowing exhaust, so you should feel that. But let's listen to what this sounds like. Go ahead, hit it. All right, everybody. I gave you the walk around for the car outside, and it's only natural we had to get some shots from the underside and show you what we designed and how it came out. We absolutely love everything about this car at this point. Just from a design standpoint, it's easy to handle, easy to work with, easy to design the exhaust around the undercarriage and everything else that's there. So this is a new favorite of ours. If you've got a G80, definitely come check us out. We have a great product for you, or a few great products at this point. So let's take a closer look. All right, so we'll start from the underside up front. We designed his primary downpipes to eliminate the cats, and I'll just show a quick sneak peek for those of you who want to know what it actually looks like. Up there you'll find the primary downpipe. The O2 sensors are right there. You can see that shiny object sticking out. The turbo design is completely different. For those of you who are familiar with the 3.3 turbo, maybe I'll show that a little bit closer up in a few, but wanted to show you guys what we did for the secondaries. So for the secondaries, they have an interesting mount. This is a 2-bolt mount. If you remember the other 3.3 turbos, there's a crossbar that goes across and tries to hold things up. Well, they've eliminated that. This 2-bolt mount, one on each side, made it a lot nicer to deal with and easier to mate my hanger to. And as you can see, the overall design of the pipe is more flat. And to me, that's a lot nicer to deal with. So the transition from the primary to the secondary, again, not too many bends. And then on the back side here, you have some more bends. Now, typically you're accustomed to seeing cats at the end of the secondaries. We eliminated that and we put some of our components there instead. These components are typically further back, but because the undercarriage is so flat, we went ahead and brought those up front. And these are high flowing, but they help to keep the sound way down. We try to keep the piping as straight as possible all the way back until we got to the point where we had to accommodate the differential. We then added just a few small bends to turn outward and then turn it back straight. Added the hangers in. Those were easy to accommodate. And then on the back side, we went ahead and added in the bends going to our actual mufflers. We were able to clear everything. There's good and sufficient clearance around all of that. We added V-bands in just to try and help, keep it easy to take this on and off. One interesting feature I'd like to show you guys, this thing actually has rear steering. That is a rack and pinion for the rear. It is controlled by this large, what I'm gonna guess is a worm gear motor that's torquey. I haven't read the specs on under what conditions it activates, but that's just a really cool feature and just another reason why this car is getting rave reviews from the IMR Performance Shop. But overall, it's a fun car to drive and definitely super luxurious. And we have developed an exhaust system that sounds fantastic for it. So all you G80 owners, come find us. This is something that I definitely want to mass produce, but for now, until we lock in the design, make fixtures and jigs, and send it out for all the bends to be made by CNC pipe bending machine, we will be making this by hand. So feel free to reach out to us and we'll help you get to your goal. All right, so for this section, what we're gonna do is just do some basic revs and let you hear what that sounds like. All right, let's go ahead, hit it.